Alright, in this video what we're going to show you how to do is edit the background image that you would have downloaded to be used as wallpaper, of course the background image, in your overview screen for FactoryTalk View. So the first thing you need to do, as the lab mentioned, is open up your file in IRFan View or the photo editing software. We're going to go up and first of all change the size of the photo to match the overview screen that we took a look at in the Instant Fizz application. So if you go down to the Resize Resample selection from the image menu, what we need to do is make sure that preserve aspect ratio, that checkbox is deselected. Okay, and then up at set new size, I'm going to click on that radio button, and right here we can enter in the pixels that we recorded directly from our lab 1 procedure step number 8 that you should have done in this lab before viewing this particular video. So I've got a new pixel size of 1270 by 785. I'm happy with that. So I select OK, and you're going to notice the image was tweaked a little bit, but the resolution is still looks really good. And the next thing we need to do is edit this image a little bit, because we want this image to be subtle, meaning it's going to sit in the background, and we're going to have some controls layered on top, or some objects layered on top that the operator needs to interface with. If I left it as is, it's a little busy, and it might be hard for the operator to differentiate between the background and searching for buttons or information that they require. So to do that, I'm going to go under Image, and we'll go down here to Effects under the Image menu, and if I come back here, I could do a couple things. I could turn this into a grayscale, the particular picture itself, to make it blend in the background. What I like is the sepia function. Okay, so I've selected that, and you notice it creates more of a subtle look to the photo itself, and it's a little easier to distinguish between the controls that will sit on top that'll have a little more pop with this particular edited feature. So the last thing we're going to do is go ahead and save up this particular image, and we'll go ahead and do that to that folder that you would have created on the desktop for lab number 2. So go ahead and do a file, save as. And then once you're into your lab 2 file, I've got a separate folder called Wallpaper. Okay, and I'm going to save it up simply as lab 2. Throw my caps on here. Lab 2, initials, and then we'll call it wall. Save that up. And we can go ahead and finish this video off. The next step is going to be bringing this particular image or importing it into FactoryTalk View and setting it up so it's a wallpaper image where objects sit on top. Thank you.